But
Very well. Thanks for asking.
see is there.
Good, Partha. How are you? Good. Was it only four of us, five of us? Nah, not good enough. Nah, that is wrong.
I'm good, thank you. How are you? How's everyone?
Good. Yeah, all good.
Hi everyone.
Hello.
Yeah.
Good. How are you?
Nishanti printed a lot of exotic currencies. That's really exotic currency.
Yeah, no, I like it.
Yeah.
How are you? That's good.
Yep.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Beautiful. Yep.
Yes. Done.
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah.
Hello,
Fine.
everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Still 1 year older than me.
Six, starting sixer.
That's what they say. 40 is the new 20.
That's true.
And the new one, it started invest. It was Thursday is the new Friday.
Yeah, that's it. See?
Why? Especially to Ronak.
No. Younger.
Oh, okay. Rella recently turned 21, so
Good stuff. Big boy now.
a lot
New-
younger.
Yep.
I'm still doing ICT. I'm still studying it, but I do have a scholarship for AI for Western Sydney. Thank you, thank you.
I think
3% is
Yes.
possible. Yeah, very much.
Yes.
It's minimum. $30,000.
30,000.
I'm not telling you anything. Nah. Just in case if my wife is standing outside the door, nah, I'm not saying anything. Nah. I'll block you.
$21,000.
21.
okay. Sorry, sir. Just I got a couple of questions on that. Yeah. Could you bring back that notes, please? Yeah. So 70%, which is 21,000, is the person who trades. Is that right? And let's say 9,000 is deducted as a management, whatever it is, share from NP Finance. Is that correct? Let's say just again in terms of clarity, let's say if my fund has been approved, right? If I make 3%, so end of the month, I take home 21,000. Is that correct? Yeah. Okay. No. Just let's say.
But
So
what happens? What happens when somebody is like, if you do more than 3%? Is it like that fund? But that also gets split, or that 10%? Yeah,
100,000.
100,000.
100,000.
Yeah,
70,000.
20,000. Yeah. So once the month is done, suppose somebody has done 10%, he can draw 70% of that end of the month, right? Once the settlement is done. Okay, got it.
So again, let's so 70% he can draw, and 30% is a management NPF. Is that correct? So
Very
so
generous. Yeah.
so the 70% and 30% is the range. Is that correct? Yeah. Okay. Good. Yeah.
That's very generous actually. In the world of trading, normally it is 40-60 or 50-50 sometimes. 40-60, 40-50.
What if you lose? What if you lose? Like, if you don't, make any.
Oh, okay. Doesn't matter if you lose, the management will take 30%.
Yeah, that's how
That's given. That's a guaranteed. Oh, okay.
Okay. Sure.
Mm. Yeah.
Yes.
No, very good. Exciting news, sir. This is fantastic. It will grow. Yeah. So, mm, mm. Okay. Question. You said it is only this week or next week. Why is there any time bond to get this offer, or it's a limited offer? Mhm. No, we understand. We understand, but yeah. So I mean, let's say if it is no. I'm not. I'm asking in other way around. Why it is? I mean, if we can't. I mean, we can't do it in this week or in 2 weeks. Do we miss the boat? Something like that, or it is? No, I understand. So, what if someone would like to take some time, let's say another whatever the time, so they are still this offer is available, or it's the door closed, something like that. Okay, yeah, exactly. Open for next week. Yeah. So it is, it is open for, of course,
As-
the minimum period is,
yeah,
let's say 2 or 3 weeks.
See,
Okay,
as long
then
as Nasdaq is there, offer is there.
good, good. Man, I just wanted to get a clarity on that. Fantastic. Good, good.
It's very good, actually. Very good offer.
Very good offer. And yeah, yeah.
Very good. So basically, if I understood right, suppose somebody takes a let's talk small $20,000 account. Okay, $25,000 account, whatever be. So in that 25,000, he can decide I'll trade some maybe one index, one share, one currency.
You can trade, futures as well.
And
Okay, okay.
all your trading is always futures. Other question I have is that essentially this is a intraday. You have to close it by the end of the day, or you can roll it over till Friday. Okay, you can't keep it open on the weekend. Not even index. Okay, okay, okay,
It must be closed on Friday.
okay.
Hmm.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. I was about to ask you. I was about to ask you how much you pay for that. But that's very critical. That's
Now,
very critical.
okay.
Yeah.
So on that stop loss, so the stop loss, how the EA will calculate? Is it is that oh, okay? So it will ask a question before hitting the market order, or as soon as you, yeah. Okay, okay, okay. It's not that it will calculate, let's say, for example, whatever the pips three. Yeah. Okay, okay. So it will ask. It will basically it will prompt before as soon as I hit a market. Once. Okay. Yeah. 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 Good. Good. Yeah, I can. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Got it. Yeah. 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 Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yep.
No one's doing it.
Now, Friday 10 o'clock we close. Yeah, Friday 10 o'clock in my Western Australian time. Yeah. 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 Okay. Good. Good.
Yeah, sure.
I got one basic question. Yeah. For a share trading, is it can it be done intraday as well? Yeah. Meta.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
What is Square?
Squarespace. Mm.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. After
Yes.
paying. Yeah.
Mm.
Okay.
Happily have champagne.
It's
Gone.
dropped.
Yeah. Big jump. Yeah.
Gap.
Oh,
Mhm.
Yeah.
Mm.
Could have named it Square One. So basically, they went after Afterpay, and the shares went down. Now they sort of went into the blockchain, and the Bitcoin prices came down. So yep, I
So what?
can see where
So
I
watch
can
them
see
out.
where this is going.
So watch them out. Wherever they go, you short it.
That's it. You put a short order, and yeah, you're laughing. Yeah, just go short.
Just go short wherever they're going.
That's it. Eventually, you will be winning. Nah, this is observation. Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So they wiped out about 570 billion of Bitcoin. Yeah.
Globally, everybody is thinking changing name will help probably.
Yeah.
Globally, everybody is thinking like old names, just get rid of the old names. Yeah, looks like.
Okay.
So
Mia.
fall asleep.
Australians. Have you got the second shot COVID? COVID
Laminated
second
it.
shot? Okay.
Did you
Okay.
got it laminated? Did you got the certificate laminated?
Intraday. Yeah, yeah, sure. Yeah, yeah. So just another question in a sub question, yeah. So the intraday assets, like the intraday for forex, intraday for index, intraday for shares. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That, classes.
Off, Partha. Your voice keeps breaking off.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Now I
sometimes
now
it's
I
better.
can
It
hear.
keeps breaking off.
Yeah. Push it. Push it. Push it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I think the answer was just, I mean, breaking that part. Just, I'm going to repeat that question. So the intraday, the learnings or the strategy can be applied across all the asset class. Is that correct? Yeah, I can say. Okay. Okay. Okay.
I have one more question. I have one question. Suppose you are doing a share trading or index trading, share trading, say you have done a end of day trading, you are doing it. Now, when you're doing a end of day trading, you can also do a intraday, right? I can have a position end of day for a different thing, for a say I have got a double top or a double bottom or anything. But intraday, say I got a double bottom and I'm going long on a instrument. But intraday I can go short because I'm seeing there is a short opportunity. Okay.
Yes, I understood.
So basically I'm long and short on the same instrument together, basically. One on a intraday, one on a yeah. I don't think it's a bumper call. Bumper call.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are there.
Yes. Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
Okay.
616.62. Four, five, six, three, nine. Yeah, we can. This this is real money, a real account or demo? Okay. The mindset should be same whether it is you're trading a demo or real money. Emotion. Hmm. Understood. But when you are trading a demo, that psychological back of your mind, there is a little bit of a emotional difference. Yeah, yeah, agree.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, good.
S- Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. More than it's 12. S- yeah, 60. Yeah.
Hundred and 118.
Yeah,
Yeah, this is 100. Yeah. Yeah, this is fine. Everybody can see your screen. So fundamentally, these are all intraday trades, and there are three things what I followed in the strategy. Look for a resistance, validate the resistance over a 15 minutes, 1 hour, 5 minute chart, and then go for the 1 minute uh, detail, and then place the deal. So typically, what I see is that how the trend is going that day for the particular instrument. I traded only three instruments actually. All the trades are limited to three instruments: Hang Seng 50, Nasdaq 100, and I think there is a small trade on not ASX. I think there is a small Nifty trade which is like negligible. But basically, two instrument traded. If you see Hang Seng 50 and Nasdaq 100, these are the most of the trades. Yeah, yeah. Debt contracts, yeah. So, so fundamentally, my strategy is very simple, basically that way. Just follow one or two instruments. I don't have that much bandwidth to follow two, three instruments. So I was following these instruments for at least 7 days before starting a trade. So I saw the characteristics, how they work. Like Hang Seng, I'll give you an example. If you see Hang Seng is very risky index actually to trade. But if you follow the Hang Seng for 7-10 days, you will see the trend, what it happens. Typically, Hang Seng is the only exchange which has a lunch break. Okay, very unique in the world. No exchange has a lunch break. So Hang Seng has a lunch break. So there is a characteristics you'll see before lunch break and after lunch break. So if you follow that, yeah. So only exchange in the world has a lunch break. So 12 to 1 Hong Kong time is the lunch break for Hang Seng. So there is a some trades will go on that time also, but very negligible. Those are like off market trades. But because they have a lunch break, so there will probably psychologically people want to close the trade before lunch break. So if there is a trend which is going, it will go very strong before the 12 o'clock. They'll try to close it off. And 12 to 1, better not to trade because that's a lunch break. So whatever trades you are seeing, it's small numbers, small pips. Those are like all brokers playing around with the numbers that time. So wait for the lunch break. Don't trade in the lunch break and trade after the lunch break. No, 12. Hong Kong 12. Hong Kong 12. Yeah. 12 to 1 is the lunch break. 10 to 12 and 1 to 4. So they have a 5 hours trading only. Yeah. Yeah. So basically, that's a critical thing to understand the instrument when it is active, when it is not active. And other thing, what I observed is that Hang Seng becomes very strong aftermarket trades during the Nasdaq hours on the futures. So when the Nasdaq gets opened, if you see the volume starts picking up that time, that actually the Hong Kong exchange is closed that time. But Hang Seng index get traded when Nasdaq opens. So Nasdaq opens 8 a.m. Sorry, 10 a.m. New York time. So my time 7:30 p.m. So 7 to 7:30 to 8:30, Hang Seng will become very active suddenly. So you see the bottom, the low volumes, those are like Nasdaq volumes basically. So these are, yeah, this is a 1 hour chart. Yeah. So during Nasdaq opening time, you'll see a Hang Seng volume coming up suddenly. Much smaller than the day volume, but that's a risky time to trade the Hang Seng actually because it goes very high, very low. So that's one thing on Hang Seng. Other thing on the Hang Seng post market before the Nasdaq opening is also provide some indicator for Nasdaq actually. So if you see Hang Seng is falling before the Nasdaq opens, so very careful if you are trying to take a Nasdaq long. Just watch. Though you're very clear Nasdaq, you're going to take a long, but if Hang Seng is falling that time, just watch for 5-10 minutes before you take a long. Because these two index has a correlation on the behavior. If you see for a 10, 15, 20 days span, you'll see a interrelation. So what typically happens is people probably, if I see all the exchanges, so Nifty has a very peculiar situation between 130 and 230 India time. So what happens that time actually 130 Hang Seng gets closed. So people trying to close the Hang Seng positions. So they will take all the fund out of Nifty and close the Hang Seng position and come out of it and then close the Nifty. So these are if you're playing with the index, very careful on the timing of the exchanges because one exchange, if you're dealing with one exchange and that time another exchange is closing, so you'll see some irrational behavior at that time, which may not follow the smooth chart. Suddenly you will see a falling trend reversing and watch for the double bottoms and double tops basically that time. And in the intraday, I think the biggest indicator is the strong support lines and the strong resistance lines. And you don't have too much time to look at much things, but support lines and the resistance lines are the basic things to watch out for. And if you put a Bollinger Band, you will see typically it 95% plus time it works basically on Bollinger Band. If it is gone out on the top band, it will tag along. Maybe it will tag along for some time, but it will come down immediately. So Bollinger Band is a very strong indicator. If you see there here, Bollinger Band when it goes up, it's a tagging along and going down here. So it narrows down and then tag along basically. In Hang Seng, Bollinger Band is Nasdaq. Bollinger Band is very good instrument in Nasdaq instrument. Bollinger Band is very effective on a 5-minute chart. If you see on a 5-minute chart, put a Bollinger, you will see the it follows the trend. Yeah, you see it's come, gone, come, gone, come, gone. So this is a pre-market time, just opening the market. This bottom, the top portion, that irrational 1 hour. So always better not to trade the irrational hours. You might, if you are on the right side, you gain heavy, but if you're on the wrong side, you can lose 100 points in couple of seconds. So let the market get stabilized for 5 minutes and then enter. And that will be my strategy always. Don't enter in the opening bell. Look for the trend, let it settle up, look for the previous day resistance, and going by Partha's advice of drawing the lines, that's the main thing I think. Just draw the lines before you start the trade. So draw your resistance from the previous day, previous week, previous month, and so draw the supports so you know where it can go, where it cannot go. So it might look lucrative, but you are already hitting the resistance. No point of going long that time. But it is showing a very long trend, uptrend. But you are already hitting the resistance from the previous day or the previous week. So careful on that. But it was nice actually. When I just follow the rule, basically. When I going by the Partha's famous dialogue, just follow the rule. Don't do anything else. My shortest trade is 1 minute trade, I think 1.5 minute trade, and longest trade is probably 12 hours. And less is more, always. Yeah, yeah. It's a mid tech. Mid tech is what? When you go for your health check, if you do a CT scan, uh, the CT scan is typically not reported by the person who is sitting in the center. It will be reported by a specialist. So my job is to find a specialist for your CT scan, do the segmentation of the image, tell the specialist, please look at this image, give the report, and take the report back to your health method. Yeah, yeah, yeah. India time 7:30 to 10. So that's basically the morning session of Hang Seng. It covers up to the lunchtime. Yeah, yeah. That is the Nasdaq 100. Yeah, that is 7:30 in the evening and 7:30 in the morning. So my timing of all the trades will be 7:30 in the morning to 10 o'clock in the morning, and again 7:30 in the evening to 10 o'clock in the evening. That's it. 2.5 hours, 2.5 hours. Sometimes not so much. Sometimes like if I feel like I'm done in half an hour, I'm done. So if I got $1,000, fine, close it.
Mm, mm. Okay. Yeah, yeah.
And for me, I put a mental target like if I'm done with $2,000, done, just close it.
No questions at this point. No. Partially. Yeah, I had to get ready. So it was nice knowing everyone here. Yeah, I'll get going.
Likewise, mate. Take care.
All right, take care, everyone.
Have fun.
Yeah.
You're still 21 poor. Once you're married, you will be talking to some class from 3 to 5 on a
Exactly.
Sunday. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Bye. Oh,
Let's not go there.
Thank you.
Well done.
all right. Goodbye.
Thanks, man.
No, I'm happy. Everything's good on my end. No, I'm not used to this intraday stuff, but all the concepts seem very similar. So yeah.
Sorry, are you recording this session? Okay, good.
Yeah. You didn't add the principal. You didn't add the principal. You add the principal of 20,000.
Yep.
Double top.
Double top and trend line, mate. You can draw the double tops. We get to know that
Break up the neckline. Yeah.
yes.
Yes.
Put a trend line there in a first 15 to 22, and you get to know whether you are doing right or not. Yes, we get to know that we were doing wrong, so get out of the trade. No, like generally we get an idea that we are making some mistakes.
Basically, stop trading. Take care of your health there.
Yes.
Yeah. Mm. Mm.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Mm.
Yeah.
Mm. Yeah. Wow. Yeah.
Yeah, makes sense.
Okay. Good. Very good. Very good. we can see a triple bottom as well, man. Like on a 78, we can get an idea that person's strategy, either money management is doing good or not. Like we can see that, okay, now it's getting better. At a 78, 112, and 141, we get to know, okay, now strategy is working. Either money management mistake was or whatever.
Very good.
Yes, sir. Because I have done so many mistakes and I do remember. No, we learn it. We learn it, man. You know, it's okay.
Yeah.
I have a question. So, Partha, if we attempting this prop trading, how often should we be monitoring our equity curves? Would we be doing that on a weekly basis?
Yeah.
Yes.
Monitor the critical weekly. Yeah.
Yes, you did, yes. No, that's all thanks.
I have one question about gap. Okay. So when you see so obviously there is no 2 + 2 is equal to 4 rule for identifying a gap, whether it's a breakout or continuation or exhaustion immediately. But is there any characteristics that you see on the left side before the gap coming up, which might tell you that what kind of gap it can be?
Yeah. Looks like.
No, that's good.
Nishanti is busy counting that exotic currency. She can't do it. She has no time for asking question now.
Yes, hire a
Just
spokesperson.
just get that exotic currency, fill it
Yeah.
up.
She's outsourced it to Arindam.
This is really exotic. This is exotic ramp. Exotic ramp.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yes. The COVID news strain did nothing to the currency. I thought it might go up or down, but it's just going as normal, I guess. The COVID strain, like I thought it might yeah. So I thought it might do something crazy, but yeah, it's all good. Still not doing much. So it's like going up. No, not really. No, I mean, if you go back, the 2005 or something, it's like starting five. Like now it's went to like 16 or something. It's starting from like 2003 or something. If you Yeah, it's going really up. Yeah. So it's just continue to go up, which is good. Yeah. So I just went and study all that. Yeah, and it's just like always bounce back from like moving average 200 or something, and then soon it hit 200. Moving average, it's bounce up, so it's really easy to do it, I guess. It's like I don't have much experience, so it's and it's very volatile, like it's just yeah. Mhm. Yeah. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. No.
No.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. Third decimal is that is what brings the money. Because first two will remain fixed. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, when I purchase or something, one stage it's like minus 88 or something. So it was like I have to call Go Market and then ask, like the going to be something wrong, like I just bought this and then it's I went minus 88 straight away, and then I think it's a spread is a spread the spread, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, I think so. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. 7C.
20.
Yeah. 2, yeah.
Hmm.
2,
Hmm.
yeah. Oh, okay,
22.
sure.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh, okay, now I get it. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I keep that in mind. Yeah. That's good one. Yeah. Yeah, but it's worth it. Yeah, I think it's better to get to know one currency pair, like, because, I got really
Yeah.
busy, after, COVID and everything. I'm running around, and then, it's like, within half an hour, 1 hour, it's just, it's so volatile as well. So it's easy to make money. And yeah, it's like you don't have to wait for hours and hours to make money, I guess. So, yeah, just learning about more that, and then, yeah, let's see if I can
I
monitor
added to
more.
my
And then,
favorite. I
oh,
added
that's
to my
good.
favorite. This week it's
That's good.
going to happen. This week's
Yeah.
I'm going to trade.
Yeah, I think it's gonna go up this week. Yeah, from Monday on. I feel like it's because it's the engulfing candle like closing Friday, so it's look like it's going up this
So
week.
this is like a coffee trade. In between the coffee, you can finish it off, right?
Yeah, coffee, or like waiting for school to finish, or it's like
Okay.
waiting for 1 hour school, the sports or something to finish. So it's I just do trading. People probably wondering, what is she doing in this hot weather inside the car?
And not and it's something like you are paying the parking. The guy is opening and something like that. In between, you do one small trade quickly.
Yeah, or yeah.
This is going next level.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, she was
This,
like,
Good.
to be
Good tips.
be
Good
honest.
tips. Yeah.
Yeah, to be honest, like I've been called up from parking officers, like ask them to move, because I'm still inside, like they think they're just coming all the way from Clayton or something to just book me, and then I'm still in the car, doing all this, and then there's this lady is like get really pissed off about like 3-4 days like last week. Yes.
that's,
Yeah. So. Oh my god. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
no. Thank you for bringing this exotic currency to our notice. Yeah.
No, it's good one. Yeah. Because I was like searching for yeah. It's I think 8 hours or something. But anyway, I just put like iPhone like South African time every the South African time as well. I think it's best to because I think at the moment it's 8 hours or something behind South Africa. Yeah, it's 9 hours Cape Town. Yeah.
people have reached people have reached South Africa, and here I am still on air.
So after Nifty, it can be done after Nifty basically.
You've taken it to the next level. I'll have to find a parking spot now.
Yeah.
Looks like it is best traded in the parking lot.
Yeah.
I guess yeah. I think that's really it's unlike other pairs like they're boring.
Yeah.
It's take time to go up and down.
Parking
Yeah.
Apart from
What's your average time for a trade on this currency? Like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, roughly?
no more than I think like if you have like 1 hour or something, it's better like you can wait like I've been naughty obviously you should put like stop loss and everything, but what I do is I just watch how it's go and stuff, and then whenever the time up like whenever I have to go I just close it. I could have keep it open most of time, but I just just close it when I I have to leave.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice moves, actually.
Yeah, yeah,
Mm.
yeah.
Very good. Very good pair.
That's very good. A lot of work went into that.
That 3% target is not daily target, right? And the audition duration is like a 1 month. Watch or yeah. Okay. Yeah. Mm. Very good. Yeah. Interesting.
Mm, sorry, yeah. Maybe I'll get yeah, I forgot. Ah, yes, yeah. Mm.
Okay, good one. Good one. Yeah, I was saying breakout, continuation, and exhaustion. Yeah.
Yes. Yep.
Too many gaps. This guy is like made for gap learning.
Yep.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes.
Down.
Down.
Yeah.
Yes.
Up. Yeah. That's exact.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yep. That's all good.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Mm. Mm. Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, what asset class you see gap more? Because I haven't noticed much of those gap. I mean, forex. The timing, whatever. I don't know. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Mm. Thank you.
No, I partially understand things, but it does make sense.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Hmm. 50%. Very good. Yeah. 100%.
Yes. Mm.
Mm.
Yeah, yeah. Mm.
What is the instrument? What is the instrument here? It's a currency. Okay, it's exploded. Okay. Only 2 drawdowns major. Yeah, not much. I think that's more crucial than the profit percent, because 5% in any case will make it. If your drawdown is controlled, then you are controlled basically. Yeah. Because 5%, in reality, 5% everybody will make it. Okay. Actually, everybody will make it 10% if you control the drawdown. That's the only thing. So just protect the capital. If you can't do it, just hang on to it and get out of it zero profit. That's also fine, probably. Yeah.
But if you want to go back to the gap, and then if you go to South African rand and then see the gap, and you can see my like big gap in there.
Oh. Show the gap, going to trade. I'll put a trade right now.
No, that's why this whole gap thing came in. I was thinking why I was like thinking about the gap. Let me see. 1 minute. We go to 1 minute.
Yeah, in between Nishant, they did one trade also, looks like.
Today is Sunday. It's still some okay. Middle Eastern market.
There's a gap. The last
gap,
one, I think.
the last one, okay, you can see that, fourth there, and then also, is that 1 minute? Yeah, I can see it like, better in MT4 in my phone. So
You're trading from phone?
yeah, yeah.
Oh my
Apple
God.
phone, yeah. No, I don't have anything
It's so
else.
scary. It's so scary.
Phone and car park.
Oh.
I know, yeah. Oh my God, yeah.
That's
No,
all you need.
I can't see much gap in here. I don't know why.
Car park is always exotic for trading or anything else, but phone trading is
that
like...
that should be the new tagline for NP Financials. You don't have to trade with phone and just a car park.
All you need a phone and a car park. That's
it.
And I also look at price action and candle pattern. I mean, don't have much in there. Only obviously, I can't even put anything else in there. So it's just yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's just oh my God, yeah. One is Amazon, like Amazon store. So it's going good at the moment. So it's a Christmas product and stuff. So it's more like I have brand. It's called Artichoke. Like it's more like art and crafts products. So it's like I scratch, design from scratch, like include books to how to do it, and then all the stuff that you can create something. So if you guys want to have a look at, I can post out to you if you send your address or something. So I have also eBay store. So it's like kids like specialty shoes and stuff like so the other one is, obviously I have two motels. One is in Cairns, like far north Queensland, and one in Perth that started like just like last week. So if you guys want to visit, more than help, welcome to give you special discount, I guess. Maybe we should catch up, that
Could you post the business, Nishanti, so we can pamper where is which is the model in Perth?
It's in Donnybrook, like it's around 2 hours. The Margaret River.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, it's very close to around there. It's more like apple, like they grow apple, like more fruit, like farming area. It's really nice and stuff. So
still this Christmas holiday accommodation is available.
Sorry.
Still the holiday still accommodation is available there.
Car park is.
Yeah, you can visit you. Oh my God, yeah, you can visit Donnybrook Donnybrook Motel.
Okay, okay, beautiful. No,
.com.au. So it's Donnybrook Motel in Donnybrook. So
yeah.
you can search up, like it's no it's sold out this weekend, but it's sold out for entire month because I think it's what they do is they do
Reserved accommodation for owners.
sorry.
Any reserved accommodation available for owners only, or I mean, because everything is booked out, so that's what.
Are you going there?
Yes, I would like to.
Oh, okay. You are in Perth.
Yes,
Okay,
I mean,
okay. Yeah, just let me know
yeah.
because what happened is like they start lithium exploration 2 years ago, and then the price got really low, and then they stopped, and then now they want to do it again because price bounced back from lithium, so they doing exploration. So those miners, like they booked out like whole motel for like 14 rooms, like only have 16 obviously, and then they booked 14 rooms for next 3 months. So now we only have
28 Southwestern Highway, Donnybrook, is that one?
yeah, that's the one. Yeah. If you go in there, let me know. So yeah, I can organize that. So that's that. So that it's border closure and everything. Yeah, the business is really good because of the border closure and everything. People just traveling in the local. So that's that. And so I have another one in Cairns. So it's a motel as well. So it's just since border closure and everything, we just delivering accommodation for locals, like more what is it, indigenous people and stuff. So like last year or two, I just like change the business structure, but it'll be change into like normal international travel. Once travel resume, it'll be different. So at the moment it's a bit hectic up there, like just providing accommodation for that, but government pays all the bills and stuff, which is good. So what else I've been doing? So yeah, I still do. Yeah, no. Yeah, at the moment yeah, it's a bit nuisance, like because it's really hard to find workers up there. So I have to go there, and from January, and then sort everything up. It's the coal, we have coal power station up there. So that the fly ash, like
Yeah,
fly
fly
ash
ash.
is like yeah. So we just making bricks out of fly ash. It's replacing sand. So and then making a brick. So that's a massive, yeah. Yeah, business. So I'm looking to sell that actually. It's just too much at the moment. So but it's really good. Like we just I just have to go there, and then it's a, because it's still I'm struggling with COVID and everything. So it just but I'm going on January, but I'll give you full update once I go there. So yeah, I'm hoping to sell that one definitely, because it's everything getting too much. Yeah, but yeah, it's going good, and supporting those people who work at the moment. So but yeah, it's that one. Yeah, doing okay. But yeah, and what else? Yeah, I'm still doing here and there, a report for KC, Monash Medical Center, for the when they, yeah. So that's that. And what else I be doing? And I'm helping my cousin. We be setting up dental clinic. So so we just yeah, helping her out, and then it's just yeah. And then meanwhile I'm trying to do this trading thing as well in between. So it's going crazy at the moment, but yeah. Yeah.
So I have one question for you.
Mm.
When is your IPO coming up?
When you, sorry, when you saw,
When is your IPO coming up?
when I didn't understand, what is
It
When
will
are
be
you
in
going
South
to?
Africa.
it? Oh, okay. Maybe, yeah, maybe I will probably have something, really, yeah, as in like, in long term, as I told Partha, I wanted to do, mining. So yeah, maybe I'll let you know when it's ready.
Looks like you're there pretty close.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a
And then we'll start trading, and we'll
Yeah.
all go along together. Don't worry.
Yeah, because it's Anglo Gold Ashanti Day, so maybe it's just have to change to Nishanti. Did you notice? Did you notice that, because it's an Ashanti, it's Anglo Gold, yeah, Ashanti Day, so
Yeah.
it's just need to change in NI, like Nishanti.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a gold one. I just only aim for 1,000, 1 ton or something. I'm enough with 1 ton of gold.
So we'll have a Nishanti holding IPO
Yeah,
basically.
yeah, something like that. Yeah, that's good type. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah.
And NPF Capital will be the lead manager for the IPO.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Inspirational, Nishanti. I don't know how you do that.
I know, and then also I have 2 daughters, and then 16 and 14. How to deal with them, and taking them. One is doing regional running, so I just have to take her to athletic on Saturday, and then the other one doing representative basketball. So it's weekend. I'm also running around and taking them, and taking them to school every day. They're going to Glen Waverley, so I'm driving all the way from Narragansett to Glen Waverley every day. So it's just
Oh.
yeah, so it's
That's a
yeah,
big
it's
drive,
crazy.
yeah.
Hats off.
Yeah.
Hats off, Nishanti. Hats off.
Absolutely. I should learn from you.
Yeah, it's really busy.
Everybody need to learn from her.
Absolutely.
Everybody.
Thank
Thank
God
you.
my
Thank
wife is listening.
Well done. You're doing really great.
you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
thank
Thank
you.
you very much. Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
See
Thank
you,
you.
everyone.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Enjoy the
Bye-bye.
weekend. Okay, bye.
Bye.